This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to Fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 104 of Building Optimus Prime. In this issue, we're finishing the hand that we started last time, the right hand. After continuing to look at Bumblebee, evolution of Bumblebee, change from Beetle to a Chimera was because Michael Bay didn't want the character associated with Herbie. Fair enough, yeah. Go. Colours of Optimus Prime. Brainstorm, Ideas Factory, okay. And Cyberverse. Bumblebee, the new star. Yeah, Bumblebee, I like Bumblebee. Everyone likes Bumblebee, don't they? Not sure about Rescue Bots Academy though, but there you go. That's the next page, there you go. Yep. So the right hand, yes, we've got the arm, the fingers attached to what we've already got. Building up the thumb joint and then putting the fingers into the palm, joining it all together and finishing it off. We end up with the hand ready to be attached to the arm, which I assume is going to be the majority of what we're building next time. So we did in fact finish the leg. We've got two legs. We haven't attached them yet, but I've put a picture together of how it's going to look when they're attached. The arm, obviously, we've done apart from the interior joining part, and we'll be doing the other arm and then attaching it together. So yeah, not long now. So let me clear this out of the way, and we'll get this hand put together. So we've got our bits from last time and our bits from this time. We need that, and this pin. Join the thumb piece together. This does have a way around to go, so it's going to go that way round. Then we'll go in from the top. There, like that. Take some pushing to get that in, but I'll worry about that in a minute. Let's put that to one. I'm going to have to do this because otherwise it's not going to go together. So let's work on this, get that lined up on there. I don't want to slip and damage the plastic. That is quite a long way out. It's not liking that. I'm not happy with that. Lined up quite right. Right from the other side, see if that's any easier. Through there. Push through there, okay. I think it might not have been quite lined up right on the inside, so let's try that again. Got to be lined up to go through there. Going in any further than that? How far is that going in? Grab that right there, pull that out. Let's see, it's basically halfway. So is there something halfway in there that's causing me problems? No, that's going all the way through there without any trouble. It does seem to be just the knurling. The knurling's very deep through on that. Just going to be a case of careful and forceful. Through there, yeah. Just get it lined up gently and twisting. Sort of wear it through. There you go. That's that. And make sure the other end lines up as well. There we go. That will do us. That's that then. Nice. Then we need our palm. I'm going going to go there. The fingers go across the top of that onto all the posts. Luckily, the fingers are all identical. So that's nice and easy. That the wrong way around. This is the palm, not the back. So yeah, getting the right way round. Go. They would all go on there. Like that. That goes on there. Like that. I've got that the wrong way up now then. Definitely going to have to be that way around. Oh, they're all pictured as being the other way. So I think I might have got these end pieces putting the fingers wrong. They've got to go that way up, but the fingers have got to go the other way up. All right, let me think about this and then come back and do it properly. Screws into there. Right, yeah, I'm going to reverse these fingers around this joint, the whole thing over. So let me come back to you when I've done that. Right, there we go. That's all of those reversed again to make them the right way around. That goes there, so they're all on the inside. Then the thumb fits on the inside as well. Then this, screws first. The screws need to hold that in place. We need PP screws, which are all the ones we've got. I'm going to be using quite a few of them, so let's get a few of them out. We'll just hold each of these fingers in place. Two, three, four. Thumb off for now. All of these tightened. The thumb is of course held in place with the other bit that we're going to momentarily. They're quite nice hands on this, quite nicely articulated without being too stiff. That's on there. They can all move as you need them to. Yeah, I think I might glue those bits in place. That's going to go on there with this over the top of it. So, just like that. And 3 more of these screws will hold that in place. Lined up. Go. No, I think that thumb's come out of socket a little bit. Yep, that's got to go all the way in there. Like that. One in. Yep, there we go. Let's get all 3 of these screws in place. Two. One more through bit. There we go. So the thumb can rotate a bit. All the fingers move. I will glue on all of those bits. Then we've got the 2 decorative pieces to put in place. Arm piece goes on straight edge there like that. Those go in there, and that goes over there. So there we have one hand completed, except for some gluing to be done. So thank you very much for watching. That is the end of this pack. So that will do me for now. I shall put Optimus away for another month, and I shall see you for more part works. Until then, thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.